Have you equipped your team with the necessary skills to connect, engage, and influence action Monday to Monday? Consider your team and their time on projects, presentations, meetings, and conversations. They need to be heard and understood to build trusting relationships, successfully complete day-to-day projects that give your company a return on investment. Our one-day in-person workshop equips your team with the skills to influence action and drive decisions in every conversation. One of our instructors will work with your team at your office to provide them with the hands-on experience they need to elevate their influence. Through a series of video recordings, each person observes how they come across through the eyes and ears of their listeners. Our instructors then provide them with the skills to elevate their influence. Participants learn how to ask and receive feedback and to immediately implement changes in their next conversation. To maximize your return on investment, each participant receives accountability challenges that ensure they maintain momentum long after the workshop. Our techniques provide a powerful change in how your team interacts, connects, communicates, and drives results. We tailor workshops to address your specific needs, expectations, and communication methods. Your investment gives your team the ability to immediately influence action on priorities that are meaningful to you and your company. If your team is larger than 24, we can help you identify those on your team with the biggest potential for growth and ensure they attend the first workshop. We can also discuss other workshop formats that accommodate larger teams. We limit participants because we want to ensure each participant takes a deep dive into learning and practicing the skills needed to create real change. Connect with us to learn more about our workshops. We can set up a time to meet and discuss how we can help your teams elevate their influence Monday to Monday.